Yeah. So, so the train 18 has been introduced today for the inaugural run, and this is the first train set for non-suburban travel in Indian Railways. It's a, I mean, it's a substantial leapfrog from the previous kind of system that we have for rolling stock. We have started with the conventional integral coach factory ICF coaches, and then we moved towards this LHB coaches of German technology between around 15 years, 20 years back, and Rajdhani and other trains were introduced on that model. But most of the Western countries, and especially the countries, European countries, have already gone for this train set, where a single train is a set. It is not coupled by, it's not by hauled by locomotive followed by coaches. So this has actually, gives a lot of stability. Then it can provide speed and even if safety also. So even if there is there is some untoward incident, the casualties, or for that matter, the injuries will be very minimal, because it doesn't, one coach doesn't fly into the other coach, and as a result, it will be just the train will be just come to the side of the tracks. It doesn't fly in the air. So that's actually the the benefit, and moreover, this has been manufactured at a cost of 100 crores. And for the same train set, if you want to buy from abroad, we may have to shell out at least 300 to 400 crores. So since we have developed it indigenously, we are able to save cost considerably in this. And this also has given the idea to the Ministry of Railways that why don't we develop our high-speed rail systems based on our own newly constructed elevated corridors, and utilizing train 18 as the rolling stock, so that we can cut cost. And moreover, since we are manufacturing it here, we will be able to boost our economy, and there will be a market also for these train sets in many countries, because it's a competitive price. It's very, very competitive. Instead of buying it at say 300 to 400 crores, they may buy it from India at 100 crores. So that also is possibility, and that's how actually and moreover, we have within the 4.5 years, we have moved from ICF coaches to LHB coaches to train sets. It's a substantial improvement, and this improvement actually is which we have never dreamt of. We thought that we will be running the same ICF coaches forever. During Mr. Suresh Prabhu's tenure, the decision to not to manufacture ICF coaches were taken, and only LHB coaches were will be manufactured. Now, as a next step, as an advanced step, it has been decided that we will be manufacturing train sets. So it's a beginning, and Indian railway manufacturing units like ICF can come out with better versions of train 18 in the years to come. If they are given free hand on research and development, they will be able to come out with much better versions of train 18, so that that can take the travel average, travel speed up to say 200 km or even beyond that. So which will serve our purpose very well.
Do you think that role of RDSO in speed, is it good, or they have to more well equipped?
No, see, there are two aspects to speed. At least 2 or 3 aspects to the speed. One is the rolling stock. The next one is the tracks, especially the alignment of the tracks. Only when the alignment of the tracks are straight, it is possible to run trains at a higher speed. Then the signaling systems and other train collision avoidance systems are also to be in place, and fencing also is required, or it should be on elevated corridors. So now actually the rolling stock is available for us, which can run up to 200 km per hour. So with this input, Indian Railway can developing indigenously, think of developing indigenous high speed or for that matter semi speed rail, which can run up to 220 km per hour, which is no way, I mean, inferior to any international standard.
नमस्कार प्रयागराज से आगमन करने वाले